Hey, Candy Girls, it's me again, AJ, with R2D2. Hi, R2. Yeah. So, I just want to greet you guys and Candy, of course. Happy 10th anniversary. And I wish for more power, more 10 years, 20 years, kahit ano na. So, I just want to say congratulations and more power to your success. And hope you guys can get new artists kahit mga foreign, like Brad Pitt, ko, sino pa, Slumdog Millionaire characters, mga Hollywood actors, yun, para bongga-bongga na talaga yung Candy. Yeah, and hope I could be working with you guys soon. Sana makuha rin yung Giger voice for the next issue of Candy Mag, the second greatest issue ever, next to my issue. Yeah. So, joke lang. So, again, I say congratulations and God bless you guys.